Hey. Who's out here? Anybody? What I miss? What I miss? GB. Digital Nuke. Olivier. TTA. Yeah, I know. Last night, yesterday, it was moving around, but it was whipsaw. Like, you know what I mean? So pick your poison. Pick your poison. But hey, I haven't traded yet today. I did trade yesterday. I'll show you guys how awesome I am at trading in a second. I am the best fucking trader on YouTube, by the way. The fucking best. No one comes close to me. No one fucking close. It's not even a question. You know? If anybody doesn't agree with me, well, you know, you get banned. You know what I'm saying? That's what we're doing now. Banning people for disagreeing. Blocked on Twitter. Blocked on fucking Twitter. Blocked on Twitter. You get blocked. I want to show you guys something crazy, though. Something that, you know, is just very typical of me. Let me turn on my screen sharing chat. All right. Coach Singh. What's my drawdown on the My Fund the Futures account? It doesn't matter anymore because I blew it. Robert Gallus. What up? Carbonite. Keegan. Alexander. Gian Rich. Vincenzo. How dare you call it gambling? You know, I deserve to not have that account anymore, and I'm fucking actually glad because I'd rather trade in Sim. I'd rather fucking trade in Sim. But because of my fuck up from when I was streaming yesterday, thinking I was up 560, I thought I put an order in to go long, and I put an order in to go short, and I got excited when it fucking pumped at MOC. Could have made another $1,000 or so. Like, I fucked everything after that. I had Lucid accounts that were up like 750 or 650 or 670. I don't even fucking remember. 3 funded Lucid accounts that were all up on their first day after me passing them the night before. I fucked it all up. And then I go and then the market reopens and I go to trade that My Fund the Futures account. And look, this is what only happened to me. Look at this shit. I literally got fucking top ticked. Literally, the account blew at the very top and then it dropped. Look at this. This is 47 points, but it dropped even lower. It dropped 70 fucking points. and I would have had, you know, $1,500. I don't even know what I would have had. So it just goes to show that you get what you fucking deserve, and that's what I get for fucking up my account. I just knew this something like this was going to happen. It always does. This is how I. Anytime an account blows, especially a fucking funded account, is always like this. If it's not at the top like that, very top, I'm right about the fucking move, is at the bottom. It's amazing. But whatever. So I don't have a funded live account. I got one fucking little bullshit fucking payout from it. Can I even log into it? I don't even fucking know if I can log in. Yeah, failed. Cool. Payouts. I got one fucking payout, $461. At least I still don't even have the money, so I got to fucking do something with my other Rise account. But yeah, $461 I got out of that. Whoop de fucking do. At least it counts towards this month. I got the payout this month, so I'm on the board for July. But fuck, man, so stupid. I'm so stupid. And then I did pass another Lucid account. I had two evals that I had halfway up. I passed one of them, and then I blew the other one. I should have just stayed short. It was actually in the same move because I knew we were going to go short. I just knew it. But I got this funded account, this brand new funded Lucid up $1,475. So fuck that. Fuck the NQ. Whatever. I don't even fucking care. I'm over it. I also could activate 5 Take Profit Trader Pro accounts. I might, but I don't think I should even bother fucking with them today. To be honest with you, with the way this shit is moving or not moving. Gold, that was nice. Oh, that's 4 hours ago. Terp, what up, Jay? David Schneider, One Beyond Limits. Quang, 3 weeks. Yeah, I have a cooling off period of 21 days. Quang. You heard that people are not allowed back on the sim? That's old news, bro. I could go back and trade with them. Yeah, I wasn't trying to go short. It was an accident. Yeah, it was a total fucking. Of course, I do it on the worst possible fucking account. David Schneider, what up? Clinvale, just ain't right. Mwah. You know what I mean? I just fucking. I don't know. Yeah, I don't fucking know. It's just too much. I don't know. I don't know why I would do that. Jojo80, what up? I don't know why that happened, but it did. So what am I gonna do now? It's over. The account's gone. It's over. Jason. Yeah, I noticed that. I'm looking at it. Thank you, sir. Cut. Clinvale. Maximus. Same to you. Tony Gold. It was just an unfortunate fucking mistake. Marcin. I mean, I could have requested another payout. I could have requested 500 or whatever. I don't even know what I could have requested. I was over the initial balance, so I guess $500 something. But yeah, it was fucking stupid. I'm not happy about it, but it's water under the bridge now. All I could do is just move forward. So that's what I'm doing. I got this fucking shit up 1475. I got these. I didn't trade yet. I did like this. That was a 618 rejection with this high. From this high. From this high, it was a 707. If I'll show you, these are my Bulenox accounts, my masters. Master. But there it is, 707. Dropped fucking 44 points, 45 points. But it's like barely fucking moving. I'm waiting to see if there's an opportunity here. Like here maybe. Well, there. I mean, there's a 707 right there. Or if I come down here, maybe it wants to come lower. But I don't know. That might be the spot. It's just cucking around. We've just been like literally. Well, I don't know what time. For the last hour or so, we've just been cucking in this range. So that's that. But these accounts are looking. You have been disconnected from Rhythmic. Fuck. All right. I mean, that was 20 points. But It kind of rejected off the bottom of the previous cuck zone. Now it looks like, oh, fuck me. I fucking hate when it happens. Now it looks like it wants to go lower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an order right fucking here. Right here. Right here. We'll see how it goes. All right, chat? Thanks, chat. However, if I treat this as the low, the anchor for this fib, this is the 707 right here. And we bounced off of it. We popped. We pulled back and kind of retesting that area, and it might go up higher. But maybe it'll come down for me. I don't know. I hope it does. You know? Do I have a pool in Nevada? Yes, I do. Bowser. You know me. You know I'm not looking for a big move. I'm just looking for a happy little scalp opportunity. Yeah, I got a pool. I got a pool, and I'm not afraid to use it. I'm not afraid to jump in it. Oh, look, it just retested that 707 again if I had this as the anchored low. I'll just sit here and wait. I'll just wait, yo. Did anybody grab any of those legacy Apex accounts? I think they were letting you buy 250Ks or some shit for fucking like $17.76. The activation fee on those things is fucking crazy though. I don't know. You know what I'm saying, chat? Hey, chat. You know what I'm saying? I was wondering if I was going to be able to activate my pro accounts right away, or was I going to have to wait because of the 30-day wait period? But here they are. I'm going to take a screenshot and post it in the Discord chat. I'll show you. I will show you. Probably not a good idea to activate them today, though. I'll just wait. I'll wait until like Sunday. Probably better. Probably the smart, responsible thing to do. But look. Here they are. I passed them yesterday, officially. Yeah. Anyway. Let's get back to this chart here. And wait. Waiting. Lucid's coming out with a new cell. They're doing it today? Yeah, Eric J, 250 years. Crazy. Alfred. Yeah. All I did, Alfred, this whole time was place tiny classified ads. That's how I got here, from placing tiny classified ads. Does anybody know what I'm talking about? That's a throwback. What are looking good? My Fund the Futures. Any plans for the 4th? Probably just gonna cook up some fucking burgers on the grill. And maybe go find a spot to watch fireworks go off. Because like the casinos go crazy with the fireworks. And in our previous trailer that we were renting before we bought this trailer, we had a sick view of the strip from the fucking balcony. So we would watch the fireworks, but that was about the only time we ever used the balcony was to watch the fireworks. So I don't know. We don't have that here. We don't have that type of view here. But it's super, I mean, it's fucking peaceful as fuck over here. See, look, I mean, this shit is holding. Watch. Let me change the anchor. Let me put the anchor back to this right here. It bounced off the 707, came back, retested it, bounced off of it again. I think it's gonna fucking go. I don't want to chase it here. We're at the bottom of this cuck zone. Like, it could reject here, it could reject around here. Like, I don't fucking know. But it's going. And I'm annoyed because, of course, it didn't come down enough to fucking fill me. Look at that shit go. That's 25 points. Without me. Robert Dallas. What are the rules for the pro accounts? There are no rules. Just don't trade red folder events. Do you like my car? ES is at the 707. Yeah, the take profit trader pros, Robert Giles, it's intraday trailing. That's the only thing you really got to worry about. And then depending on the size of the account, let me see if I can find, hold on. Depending on the size of the account, hold on a sec. Just make sure I get the right. Here we go. Depending on the size of the account, you'll have, there's a buffer. But here's the buffer. You just got to get over on a 25K. You need anything over 1,500 you can request. On a 50K, anything over 2,000. On a 75K, anything over 2,500. On a 100K, anything over 3,000 you can request. And on a 150K, it's anything over 4,500. But you have intraday trailing on the funded side. It's end of day on the eval side. They're 40% off, no activation fee. Ends May 17th. What the fuck? Ends never. 40% off, no activation fee with the best fucking code 0 day, Jay. I got to fix all that. All right. So that's Take Profit Trader. Oh, man. What a fucking nice little fucking happy little 16 and 12, 28 points. Just a happy little 28 point bounce on the 707 retest. If we treated this as the anchored low on the fib. Robert Gallis, I'm still waiting on it, but I did fill out the if you're asked about the Apex, I filled out the Ninja Trader Power of Attorney form, and I did my ID verification. So I feel like the account's coming soon. It's coming soon. Stephen Cox, what up? Oh, you've gotten paid. Oh, so you know the deal. Why'd you ask then? Yeah, nothing's changed with them. You know what did change with them? I don't know if you traded them for a while, but they did. You know how if you fucking held a position into the close, you would lose your account, even if it was a mistake. They got rid of that rule, so you don't have to worry about losing your account if you fucking forget to close a position out, or you forget like that you had an order open and you thought you were done for the day, and the fucking order gets filled and you're in the trade until the end of the day, whether it's good or bad. Now the other thing they changed is the three. They have instead of it going right to the very end, they have the cutoff at 4:55 p.m. So 5 minutes before close, they liquidate you, but nothing happens to your account. You don't lose it. What happens if I blow a funded with Apex? Oh, you're talking about a live? I think they have a TTA. If you're asking about the cool off period, on the live with Apex, there is a cool off period, and you go back to sim. There might be something in between. There might be something they might make you do, kind of like what Lucid does. I don't know. Bulenox is 25K accounts for $9.95. Futures Ninja. I was just looking at my Bulenox shit. Let me see what the fuck they got going on. What up, Ree? What's going on, Ree? I didn't read what you said, but I saw you commented, and I want to make sure I said hello. Look at this fucking shit. Of course. Of fucking course, man. That shit's going to pop. Come up here. Let's see. Promotions. Let's see what they have going on here. Oh, I see it. I don't know why. I mean, they're not bad. The 50Ks aren't bad. The activation fee is $9 less than a on a 25K. If you want to if you guys want to support the channel and grab a $9.95 Bulenox account, a 25K Bulenox account, use this code. This code will get you Bulenox 25Ks for $10. J10 $10. J10. Or maybe I'll change it to J10. J10. I'm going to change it to J10 right now. They are for, is it for any? I'm going to look and see. Hold on. I got to do it this way. I got to log out. J10. There it is. J10, $9.95. You get $1,500 of drawdown. Here's the thing, though. If you pass this, your activation fee is going to be $139. So if you put in 0-day J, you'll get 89% off. 89% off the 50Ks. They're $19, and the activation fee is $148. Let me see something. Do they have option 2 25Ks? Let's see what the option 2s are. Yeah, you don't get a discount on option 2. It's only option 1, which is intraday trailing. It's still a good deal, though. $10 to make them holla. It's pretty good. J10 chat for a $10 25K Bulenox account. Like if you want a cheap account to practice on, I mean, that's a good cheap account to practice on, but it's not cheap when you got to activate the funded account. But Bulenox doesn't play any games. Coach HID, what up? Eric J. Yeah. Yeah, you could use 0-day J. Yeah, I had to. 0-day J works for their 89% off. Eric, but like when they do these other promotions, I have to use a different code, or I could ask them to change it. But if you use J10, that will get you 0-day J. I still think for use 0-day J for 89% off 50Ks. I still think the 50Ks are the only accounts we're getting, and J10 for $9.95 25Ks. Here's my link there. Eric J. It's 140. Yeah, watch. I'm going to show you guys. Like the activation fees are crazy. What up, Quang? Oh, I think I said what up. When am I going back to Top Step? Fucking never, bro. Get the fuck out. Fuck them. Not everybody over there, but fuck Paytac and fuck Dakota. And fuck their fucking Focus Trader program. Get the fuck out of here. I'm good on that. Jason, have I ever been denied from Bulenox? Never. Never once. Mr. Begbeef, what up? Not quite the blue background. This is a green screen. Oh, you need to learn to walk away? Oh, so you did then. So you don't need to learn, bro. You're learning. Oh, fuck me. I might have to relocate. Watch this. Here's the activation. Oh, it's 140. I thought it was 139. Look, it's $5 less. So here's the activation fee for a 25K. Fuck me with this fucking landscapers. Here's the activation fee for a 25K. Here's the activation fee for a 50K. It's just worth it to spend another $10 to get another $1,000 of drawdown or $15. But hey, if you want to fuck around with a cheap account, by the way, if you guys stick around to the end, I'm going to give away a free 250K Bulenox account. The eval. But you're going to have to pay $898 to activate it if you pass it, okay? What's going on here? The shit stalled right here, which is what I thought would happen. Let's see. I mean, it's honoring the fib on the smaller time frames, that's for sure. 707. You see, guys? J Min. What up, O? Does Lucid automatically rebill you for a blown account? No, they don't have they don't have monthly subscription. You pay one time for that one account. Up 3K on 100K funded. That's a great job, Ree. Marcine, fast track. Vinny Lee. You would think so. I don't think anybody's stupid enough to buy those, though. I don't know. Digital nukes. Yo. Yeah, no, they don't have the rebuild. You gotta just go grab another account or just reset that shit. It's cheaper to reset it. It's like $3 less. Big tick. Nice. Up 3,500 on a 250K Apex Legacy. I don't know if those are even worth getting. I mean, I guess with the potential of running them up past 6 payouts, but do you think they're even going to let you get 6 payouts on that before they push you to a fucking live anyway? $707. Look at that. Hopefully these fucking landscapers leave soon. There's your new hour fuckery. We got 1 hour left. Oh, by the way, what up, Carlos? It's $90 to reset. You must have. Yeah, bro. If you must still be able to. Is it 7? Hold on a second. You must still have like the old deal where it's 50% off and you only use one. They were running a promotion where it was 50% off for as many as 2 evals. So yeah, you should buy a new one for 50% off before that shit expires. Because I thought it expired yesterday. Let me just double check that. I'm gonna look right now. And that's Lucid. Let me see something. Let me go to let me see. I'm going to put a code in right now. Yeah, you probably only use one. Yeah, I mean, after that is 30% off. Then it becomes cheaper. Then it becomes cheaper to grab, to reset a blown account. What are we doing here? Check Discord. No rush. Not that important. Laughter. What up? Birds just sent the signal for volatility. The landscape is just going crazy at someone's house around the block. Oh, well, that deal, bro, they might have, because that promotion was only good until fucking yesterday. So I would check right now if I were you. Because that deal was first of all, they rolled that deal out in like April, and they said until July 2nd. It says it on my banner. Watch, I'll show you. I mean, it's way up here. Here. Limit 2 per trader, valid through July 2nd at 5 p.m. Eastern. It might still be good, but I don't know, bro. You should try right now. They're coming out with a new promotion. I'm 3 days in. I got 3 days. I wish I could see a calendar. A journal? I could write it. Dear Diary. Oh, check this out. Why is it not showing it? Oh. There we go. Oh, check that out. What, I'm only 2 days in? I thought I had 3 days in. This is wrong. I traded on Wednesday. This shit is wrong because this isn't a weird fucking time zone. I don't even know what time zone it's in. I got 3 days in. I mean, if you look at my balance, watch. That's 1,455. Oh no, that's right. But I did it in 3 days, not 2. I wonder if Bulenox will show it. Yeah, it says I have 3 days in Bulenox. I'm 3 days in. Because I didn't do 700 twice. I did like 150 on the first day, 5 something on the second day, and then yesterday I did like 700. But look, if you look at the calendar, I don't know how to fix that on trading things. But if you look here, where the fuck? Fuck me. If you look at the time, like it says it's 16:06. It's in UTC. I got to figure out how to change it. Oh, here we go. Oh, we're good now. Oh, get the fuck out of here, guys. Might have to go inside. How do I like Trade C? Never used it. Never used it. Hold on a second. Fuck me. Fucking loud fucking cocksuckers. Holy shit. Can they be any fucking louder? What? Anyway. Anywho. What platform is this? This is tradingthings.io. It's free for now. Casalis, what up? I know they're doing their job, but Joe Bowser, yeah. If you guys remember when I used to stream at the other house, every time I was streaming, they would literally be fucking outside fucking doing somebody's fucking lawn. Mob Barley, what up? That shit is loud as fuck, though. iTrade, what's good? Dips and peaks. I don't think it was UT. It wasn't on. It was on UTC -4. New York is. Oh, it was. Oh, it's still. I don't know. It doesn't make any sense. The calendar doesn't make any sense. I did not have two. I did not have two $700 days. I know that for a fact. I did like 150 on Tuesday. I did like 5 something on Wednesday, and then I did this yesterday. So it's wrong, but it's cool that it's on there. Mr. Begby is crazy, bro. What up, Cube? What up, Cube? J Min. No, it's not. Yeah, it's not Trade C. Knock, knock. I'm using this because it's Bulenox and they only offer Rhythmic. And I tried using, what was Tradecopia? I tried using Tradecopia and it wouldn't work with Bulenox. I needed a TradeEvade account as a leader. And then I had to follow with the Bulenoxes in a follower. And they don't want you doing that. You're not supposed to have a fucking follower on Bulenox. You're not supposed to be copy trading Bulenox. They don't want you copy trading with any other prop firm. Like Bulenox does not want me copy trading, being in the same trade at the same time, using a copier, like for example, with them and like Apex, for example. So I paid for Tradecopia for nothing. And then I found someone, JP, I think it was JP, told me about it. Told me about this shit called Trading Things. Tradingthings.io. And it's free and it works. It's fucking nice. And I could copy trade on this shit. And I could use other platforms. It connects with Rhythmic. So like literally anything that only offers Rhythmic, you could use on here. I don't know if I could copy trade from across multiple prop firms. I have no idea. Because I think you have to choose your connection. So like, but I only have one connection. So I don't know how it would work if I was using it on more than one prop firm. But it's nice. It works nice. Bobby Digital, what up? Cut, yeah, I mean, I don't know what the fuck is going to happen here. I don't know if I'm getting filled. This was a nice little move right here. 84. It was almost 30 points. It was the retest of the 707 with this being the anchored low. I had my order at a 707 with this being the anchored low, and it didn't come down there, of course. It retested. It bounced here, and it bounced again and retested it. Yeah, I saw it. Yeah. It's just the 25Ks. But it's pretty cool. $9.95 for a 25K instead of what, $15 at 89% off. You still got to pay $143 to activate it. But if you guys want to get a $10 Bulenox account $10 to make them holla, put in the best code, the second best code, J10. That will get you, JAY10 will get you a 25K Bulenox for fucking $9.95. If you want to save 89% off the 50Ks, which I think are the best accounts to get with Bulenox, if you want to trade with Bulenox, it's $19 for a 50K. You put in code 0DayJ, my regular code. Yeah, that's not. Yeah, I've never seen it before either, Cube. They need to discount the activation fees. This sucks, though. I was hoping to fucking trade. You know, I mean, whatever. I got my orders in. My orders are in. We'll see what happens. But it did. This was a 707 rejection. It rejected 13, 18, 17 points. O'Brien rules. What do you mean you have to open an account with them? What do you mean? What are you talking about, O'Brien rules? My glasses are still fucking dirty. What the fuck? I'm still learning how to clean my glasses after all this time. I suck at cleaning my glasses. Hopefully I can go back outside. I can always just go back upstairs into the pod, but I'd rather go outside because it's nice out. Oh, the platform I use for Bulenox? You don't have to, you don't even know. Well, I don't know. I don't even remember what I did. It's free. You don't have to pay for it. You just got to like connect your shit. I think you got to like hook your, you got to just give them your email address or something. You got to sign up. Yeah, you got to sign up. Just give your email address. You just submit, put an email and a password in there, give them, set a password and email, and then you connect. I haven't paid shit. I haven't paid a single bit.
The landscapers here?
Sounds like they are, but they're like, no, they're not here. They're like right behind us. I had to go inside because they were so freaking loud.
Yeah, it sounds like it's a
video. Yeah. I was like, what the hell, what's going on? I'll go back out there in a minute. Yeah. There she is. Costas, if you pass tape private trader today, will it activate over the weekend? You'll probably be able to activate it. I'm looking at the wrong thing. You'll probably be able to activate it Sunday night. Maybe, but I don't know. You might not get your credits until Monday morning. Definitely not Monday's close. Today's its own day. I think that's why you're asking. I think maybe you were wondering if today and Monday count as the same day. With Take Private Trade, they don't do that. Unless did they send an email out saying they combining days? Because I've never seen them do that. Let me just double check. They don't usually. Never have I ever seen them group days together because of holidays. Let's see. Yeah, no, there's nothing. They just said that they only sent out an email saying the market's closing early today. They don't do that. So you'll be able to activate them like Sunday night, you might not when it's over. When you pass on a Friday, a lot of times you don't get your activation credits until like Monday morning. So like even though you see that you could activate and upgrade the pro, just wait until you get your credits. Look at this little random pop, casual 14-point pop there. Yo, I would love to get filled. I would love to get filled. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. I trade. I'm sure you've never had an issue. I just know that that's one of the rules, and it's not worth the risk for me. The last thing I want is to take an account to a payout, and then them telling me they're not going to pay me because I violated some bullshit rule that I could have avoided altogether.
Sorry.
You good? Oh, Trade Evade is 2 different days. If Rhythmic, Friday and Monday the same. Is that just a Rhythmic thing? So that's what I'm going to run into with this. A lot of firms are closing trades at 12:45. Yeah. Hey, Cube. She's in the building. They saw you.
Oh, jeez.
Cube said hello, Mrs. D.
Hello.
She says hello back.
Morning.
What do I usually do on the weekends? What up, Kenny?
No.
What's that?
No.
What happened? No.
And I touched it.
That's the Costco one? Gross. Is that I'm bringing that pack back. I want my money back. I'm the best, yo. I'm the best trader after Barron Trump. Yeah, Barron's the GOAT. Everybody's saying hi now.
Hi.
Alfred, Ree. She says hi to everybody. It came from that one?
The date is today, though.
They're not gonna, yeah.
I don't want to touch it. Ugh.
We're having a moldy bread situation here.
I'm scared.
Gross.
I'm scared.
Check the date on the other ones. July 3rd?
Yeah. I'm just going to throw it out. I can't.
What about the one I just bought?
This one says August 16th.
Oh, it's probably the one we just got last time we went.
I'm a little traumatized. That was gross.
Oh shit, this shit's pumping, chat. Oh. There's your 30 points. They're 30 points up from here. I don't know. I would love for it to pop here, like a flash pop, and feel me, and then just dump a bajillion points. How hard can it be? Am I traveling somewhere during the summer? No. What do I usually do on the weekends? I forgot to answer your question. Well, me and my wife, we go on hot dates to Sprouts.
Oh. I thought you were talking about like her actual.
And once in a while, we go on dates. So we went out to eat last week. Went to a nice local steakhouse that was off the hook. But yeah, we like shop on Saturdays. We do our grocery shopping, and then we just hang. And then Sundays I play baseball, and then come back and we hang. But we haven't really traveled anywhere since we've been out here.
I mean, I traveled.
Yeah, like she goes to like concerts to like my daughters. She's going to Tennessee in August.
You see My Chemical Romance. Don't leave that part out.
Well, I didn't want. Hey, I want to blow up your spot, but since you said it, yeah, she's going to see. She's going with my daughter, my older daughter, my oldest, to see My Chemical Romance and Pierce the Veil. And then she's going to San Diego in September with both of my daughters to see Pierce the Veil. And then she's going to LA in November with my youngest daughter, my youngest child, to see some K-pop.
And October too.
Is October and November.
2 different bands. Close Your Eyes and
Close Your Eyes
Boys
and
Next Door.
and Boys Next Door. Yeah, my youngest loves the K-pop bands, and my wife's getting dragged. Aussie Faye, what up?
I like going.
She likes going to the shows, yeah.
Yeah. I like
She doesn't necessarily like that K-pop music. Close Your Eyes. And what was the other one? Boy Next Door.
Boy Next Door, yeah.
That's what she's going to see, Q. Barron is much better than Nancy Pelosi. Last time Rithik, for whatever reason, told firms if it was 2 separate days and then it was still the same day, people were pissed and traded fine alpha. Yeah, I bet, especially like people that probably locked a payout or something. Or like it was, they thought they passed their eval, but they probably did it and fucked themselves on consistency or something, depending on what account they had. I can see how someone would be pissed off about that. Yeah, the consistency rule. Yep. Even on a funded account too. Because you did like 400 in one day and then you did 400 the other day, but it counted as 800. And then people were like, oh. I could definitely see that. DBT, what up? Man. Yeah, it's just not happening. I wanted it to come down a little lower to fill me here, and I wanted it to go up a little higher to fill me here. And I think we're just going to be stuck in this area. But whatever. It wouldn't really matter all that much. Like if I grew the account, that's always good, but it's going to combine with Monday. P, yeah, bro. I hopped on early because the market's closing. The market's closing in 35 minutes. But if you guys stick around, we're gonna do a 50K Lucid Flex giveaway. I got codes in different areas. Only doing that for the reaction I'm getting from my lovely wife. I'm just looking forward to
your fruit salad.
Yeah. Spread. Did I get a warning email from Rhythmic saying I was trading? I don't even have. No, I don't even. Even I did. I didn't see it. I don't worry about that shit. Was that Donzo? Yeah, I don't know. The only way you could trade on Rhythmic is with some third-party stuff anyway. Their platform sucks. They probably send that out. It's basically a way for them to cover their own ass, like saying, we're not responsible for anything that happens while you're trading on that platform. Other than that, I wouldn't worry about it. You know what I'm saying? Can you feel me? I don't know if I've ever had strawberries.
What? What?
Did
everybody hear that?
I don't eat strawberries.
Oh my God. Well,
you've been with me for 23 years. When have you ever seen?
You've never said I've never.
I don't know. When have you ever seen me eat a strawberry before? I'll take a couple.
Yeah.
I'll take a couple.
They're good for you. Freak.
I'll take that one.
Well, I was gonna. My second rule. I was gonna see if Harvick was gonna eat it.
Yeah, exactly. You could trade on like Rhythmic Trader Pro. Like you could place orders, but I wouldn't. Trend friend, what's up? First strawberry on the stream. I might have. I don't even remember. I can't
even look.
I don't know.
That was the craziest thing I've ever heard.
You would know though. When have you ever seen me eat a strawberry?
I don't keep track of. Well, now I do. Keep track of your food consumption.
She's keeping track of my fruit consumption. Sean,
not on purpose.
What up?
But
do it for the stream. I need some whipped cream. You guys want to see me tie a cherry stem in a knot for the stream?
You know what? Yeah. There you go. And what do you think?
It's all right. It's all right.
Wash this, sir.
I know. I will. Oh.
We'll pick up the thirsty, I'm sure.
Yeah, Donzo. If you used Usher, if you use any other platform to trade on Rhythmic, you would have got the same message. But I've never gotten it, and if I did, I didn't see it because I don't care. All that email is basically saying is if you mess up, if you blow your account gets messed up because there's some glitch in the platform, they're not responsible for it. They're not responsible for it anyway. Dream Chaser. I wouldn't worry about it. Unfiltered tick data. That's above my pay grade. Anyway. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about it, bro. You good. Man, I guess this is how it's going to be. What's gold doing? Kind of did the same shit. Oh, that was a nice 786. Was I streaming when that happened? Why don't I see the time on here at all? Where's the time? Why is the time not on? Oh, there it is. It's down there. I wasn't on yet for that 786 rejection, I guess. But that was nice. How many ticks was that? 869. A little more than 100 ticks. Yeah, we need Trump to tweet something. Let's see. China is determined to develop a partnership with Iran. That's not going to move the needle. Oh. Almost hit the 786 here, and now we're down 25 points, 24 points. Nice. Nice, Lee. Yeah, I didn't take any today. I traded last night in my Lucid account. Was that a 786 right there too? Watch this. Watch this, chat. I hope it goes lower though. I hope it comes down here and tags my order. I don't think it will though. Yeah, at least we got to hang out though, chat. But you know, this was it. This was it. The whole stream right here. This is all we did since I got on. So unfortunately, that's what we're working with here. Anyway, happy little 786 bounce. Look at that, 10, 11 points already. But it's just so tight. Everything is so tight.
You're staying on until 10?
Maybe a little sooner. Whatever you want to do. I want to do whatever you want to do.
Guys got jokes.
I'm down.
A real comedian.
I'm down. Any chance gold pops in the next hour? Scott, bro, the market's closing in 25 minutes. You're not going to be able to. Well, gold might keep moving. I've seen that before, but you're not going to be able to trade it on a prop firm account. Prop firm account trading is over at 10 o'clock, the latest. What's up, DS? What up? I mean, that was 15 points already. Damn. One beyond limits. I know, it's embarrassing. It's not, I actually didn't blow an account on the stream. I am looking forward to this if I could just keep growing it. It's a good first day on a funded Lucid account. It was a great first day. The first day is not the issue for me. It's the fifth day. That's been the issue. Gold. I was 60 ticks. Yeah. Scott, any prop firm trading will be over in 20 minutes. And you can take that to the bank. What movie is that from? Ooh. I don't trust gold. I've gotten fucked by gold so much lately. DS. Is this the same DS?
Here you go, Jake.
Were you logged into a different account? Bullhead Mike. Yes, smart. Smart. I did this yesterday. I had two evals that were halfway up. I blew one of them. I passed one and then I blew the next one. And then I got this up here. And then I had this other one that I must have, I don't remember when I grabbed this. And then I blew my up. I can't show you, but I did this too. I did this to that My Fund the Futures account. I fucked up the trade by accident yesterday. I put the final nail in the coffin on it. I literally look at where I got top tick. Look at this shit. You can't make this shit up. I tell you guys, this shit happens to me so often. And then it dropped like 70 points. So my average fill was at like 9. I was at like 612. It dropped to like 552. So it dropped like 60 points from my average fill. What would have been my average fill after I got top ticked. So this account's gone. Now I'm on a cooling off period with my funded futures, which kind of sucks. But at the same time, I'd rather trade with Sim anyway. I'm gonna get like 5 fucking rapid accounts and milk them. That's what I'm gonna do next. That's my plan whenever I'm able to. But it kind of sucks. I mean, I might have to start trading with another firm just in the meantime. Just to have, you know, because I don't like trading with, I mean, maybe I'll be better off trading with less. I don't know. Look at that 786. It just dropped 24 ticks. Crazy. The fibs are fibbing all day today. Look here. I'm sure there's other times like here. 707. Retested the 707. Dropped a little lower. Look at this. 707 bounce. You see, guys, we got this 786 rejection here. It went down 30 something ticks. If you were in 1 mini, that would have been, oh. Time to pay attention. Mikey, nobody does it better. No, I'm telling you, nobody gets top ticked like that, like I do, as often. Or bottom ticked. Trading stock. It's 21 days, which kind of sucks because I like trading. I've been liking trading with them, but whatever. It's fine. They used to just not let you trade with them ever again. So I'll take a 21-day cooling off period. It's better than Lucid's 30-day cooling off period. Lucid has a 30-day cool off period after you blow alive. What am I going to do with my life if I can't trade? Maybe that is a different DS. I don't know. That was weird. No, you're not distracting me at all. Not because of the potato. Well, you are distracting me, but not because you're peeling that potato.
Hey-o.
Girl.
Ew. You had me until the girl part. Do I want to I think the trading is going to end in 4 minutes for this Lucid account, so probably not a good idea to fuck with it. This eval. There's always Monday. Well, there's always Sunday. But man, this is getting a little interesting over here. Now, let's put another one here. I hope it doesn't blow through it. Long into close for America. I mean, if you take the 707 bounce from before, we're up 35 points, but it took forever. Beautiful 786 bounce. You see that, TTA? 891, 30 points, 29 points, and counting. It's probably going to go higher. I don't know, though. But it was nice. Oh, by the way, if anybody in here is not yet hanging out in the best community on these prop firm streets, that's free for now. Here's the link. For now. My wife's like, for now, yeah, it's free. For now. There's the link. I'm streaming, bro. Come here. Come give your daddy a
Ew. Disgusting. I'm so gross.
come give Papa a hug.
Yeah. No. Put them on the table.
Yo, I hope the shorts get triggered up here. You gonna pick up some pizza for after the stream? Sounds like a good idea. Exclusive trading content. Click the link. Yeah, I don't know. I wonder if it comes up here. Let me look at the larger time frame. Here's the 5 minute. Here's the 15. It's getting interesting. Oh. How do I... Yo, are you not going to come up? You can't go up another 9 points and then go short? Oh, my God. Why? Why? Patrick, what up? Maybe. Either them or trade iffy. David Schneider, yeah, if you put in code J10 gets you 25K Bulenoxes for $9.95. But remember, the activation fee, Chris Daly, what up, man? The activation fee is $143. I still think the 50K is better. But again, not many prop firms are giving you $1,500 a drawdown on 25Ks, and Bulenox does. But they also give you $2,500 on the 50Ks, and no, I don't think anyone is anymore. I wonder why this got so big. Oh, there we go. But that's not, I don't want to do that. I want to be able to show my balance below. But if I do this, I move this up, it gets into the, cuts off the time. You see, guys? Later, alligator. We'll sit here and wait. We'll see. Yeah, Desmond, it's awful. For me, I mean, today's going to count. Today and Monday are going to count as the same day because this is rhythmic. But I was hoping to, do something for the stream. But like all that we really got. Let me go back to the 1 minute. I mean, we got this. This was I got on like right around here, and then this is all we got. And look, here we go again. I'm not going to get it. It's already down 13 points. I don't see it coming up and filling me on these. Yeah, I didn't FOMO into anything, so I'm happy about that. iTrades is master debating whether to run it up or take a payout. Bro, if you're asking, you already know the answer. You know what I would tell you. So should iTrade run it up or take the money? You could take $2,000. After fees, what is that? You get 90% of that, you get $1,800. That's a lot of money, bro. Of course this happened. Of course. I just missed getting filled. Well, I didn't just miss getting filled, but I missed getting filled down here and I missed getting filled up here. Always take the fucking money. You got 5 of them? You have 5 of them all at 4K? Is that what you're saying? Why wouldn't you take $9,000, bro? That's after fees. It's $10,000 before fees. It's $9,000 after fees. Like, I mean, maybe you just, maybe you're in Lanto territory, with all the money. Simplistic, what's up? How was my training today? Good and bad, the usual. He's not trolling. I believe I trade. He's definitely feeling himself, though, and I don't blame him. Clinville, you like that? I trade. Just promise me you won't tweet. You won't tweet about the TSA worker breaking your watch. Damn, bro. It couldn't go up 9 more fucking points, 8 more points. You couldn't give me 8 more points. It just dropped 25 points. That really grinds my gears. That's right. It's never worth the risk of trying to run it up. When you know you could take it, Alpha Prime. I wanted it too. I just wanted to get filled here before it happened. Guys, give me a number between 1 and 69 for a free 50K account from Lucid. One number, one time, please. Because there's no way I'm getting filled. This is for a 50K Lucid Flex. I have a code for you already. I won't always have codes like this, but I did manage to get some. And instead of using them for myself, I'm obviously giving them away to the community.
Oh my gosh.
The community. Giving it to the prop firm streets. If someone has the same, if you guys have the same number, you both win. Crank, what up? So don't worry about that. Don't you worry your pretty little head. All right. No, you're good, Cindy. Oh, Roro, what's up? I got to remember to close. I'm going to cancel these orders because they will stay open. And then if the market, if I'm not around and the market reopens, I could get caught in some shit, especially since I'm short. In case we gap up, accounts will be instantly blown. No, you're good, Cindy. Yeah, it's weird, right? iTrade. I have it with them and I have it with Trade Day. So weird. This is my time. Vince. 3, 2, 1, good luck. 35. Oh, Eddie almost came in and sniped it. Who has 35? Pip now or later. What up? Who's got 35? Anybody? Nobody had 35. That's crazy. 3, 2, 1, good luck. 67. Nobody had 67 either. Wow, guys. Let's see what's going on here. Nothing. Nice drop, though. 20, almost 30-point drop. Sick crank. Three, two, one, good luck. 52. Alpha Prime. You called it. This is really the first time you've ever won a giveaway in 5 years of doing this? No way, bro. Alpha Prime just won. If you don't claim it in 5 seconds, it's going to someone else. Dude, that's crazy. That's crazy. Are you in the Discord? You got to join the Discord and then slide into my DMs. Congratulations to Alpha Prime. You got to join the Discord and then hit me up. Let me drop the link in here again. And then I'll just send you a code because I got some. Congratulations, rug pull. So I said, if he doesn't respond in 5 seconds, I don't care if it's his first time winning a giveaway in 5 years. Obviously, I was joking. Let's see what happened here. Yeah, nothing's gonna happen. I'm annoyed that I didn't get filled, but I had the right idea. I just didn't have the right placement of my order. Obviously, I just needed 9 more points. 9 more points would have filled me on this one. But anyway, I'm gonna save them. I'm gonna save them. I got more, but I'm gonna give you, Alfred. So join the Discord and then slide into my DMs and I'll give you the code. All right. Any discounts? Lena, they're doing Bulenox has a deal. If you put in code J10 for $9.95, 25Ks. I'm not sure if you want to really mess with them. Their activation fees are up there. My funded futures. Let's see. Hold on. They were doing stuff yesterday. I don't know if they were doing they're doing anything crazy today. Let me look. Like you could get 20% off a Rapid with my code, 50% off a Builder plan with my code. That's about it. 5% off new users. That's my fund. The futures. Take private traders 40% off, no activation fee. Apex brought back the 250K legacy accounts. You could get them for $17.76. Not 100% sure if my code works, but my code is 0DayJ. They still have their 5-packs and all that other stuff that they had that's 90% off. Just remember though, on that 250K, the activation fee is like $179 or some shit on that 250K legacy. Trade days 50% off and no activation fee. All right, cool, Alpha Prime. I'll get with you. I'm frozen. Oh. I think I closed the stream. No, I did. Right here. I'm not frozen, am I? Hold on a second. Oh, my thing got. Sorry, guys. I didn't know I got taken off the whatchamacallit. I went to hide my screen and it hid my face too. But anyway, like I was saying, my fund of futures has 20% off Rapid plans. They were doing some other stuff, but I don't know if they're doing anything today. 50% off Builder plans with my code. Lucid might be just 30% off right now with my code. Take private trader 40% off, no activation fee. Apex was doing they brought back the 250K legacies for $17.76 naturally. But those activation fees are $179 on those accounts. So just keep that in mind. Bulenox has a $9.95 deal for the 25K option 1, which is pretty good. You get $1,500 of drawdown. You put in code J10, you could get that Bulenox deal. However, the activation fee is $143 on those. So you're better off just using code 0DayJ and getting a 50K Bulenox for $19. The activation fee is only $5 more than the 25K. But what else? Take private trader, 40% off, no activation fee with 0DayJ. Trade day, 50% off, no activation fee with 0DayJ. The usual stuff. But yeah, it's a 1-to-1 ratio. The 25Ks are good. I just don't like. I like the 50Ks more because I have $1,000 more drawdown. Am I going to be live on Sunday? I don't know. I might be because I'm not playing baseball, so I'll be around. I might hop on Sunday. Definitely every day during the week for Power Hour, though. Remember that, 3 to 5 p.m. Eastern if you want to hang out, watch me trade, hang out with awesome people in the chat, the usual. But anyway, I'm going to bounce. The market's closed. There's nothing else for me to do in terms of trading. I'm disappointed I couldn't trade today, but I just didn't get filled. So it is what it is. I didn't want to FOMO into anything. So with that said, guys, I'm going to bounce. Go eat my breakfast with my wife and go about my business the rest of the day. I'll see you guys soon. Be safe on the 4th. Enjoy it if you celebrate. Hopefully, I'll see you guys when I hop back on next time, whenever that's going to be. If it's Sunday, but definitely Monday for sure for Power Hour. Enjoy the rest of your day. I'll talk to you soon. Smash the like button for Trevor LeConte. Subscribe, all that good shit.